Assalamualaikum, my name is Zarif and today we're playing, what was the name of the game? Fun Clicker UPD by Voider. This is my first gaming video, so stick to the end to see something crazy. So, Fun Clicker Silence, yeah. This is the full version, that's why it says silence, because there's silence balls here. Why is my mouse like glitching? Wait. Oh, I recently created mouse trails. Okay. Turn that off. Okay, now we're good. There is a little bit of trail, but that's not like a trail. Okay. These are the instructions. These are the notes and credits. And shout out to Glitch because he is my favorite YouTuber. And also shout out to Voider for creating this game. He has a YouTube channel, Scratch Void it's called. Let's start the game. Hello, green guy. Wait, can you even see me? Okay, everyone can see me. Okay, what is this? Yeah, this is a clicker game. Yeah, he's dancing. We have to keep clicking him something. We have to keep clicking the white silence ball, then something will happen. Ultra fun mode of 20 million. Yeah, this is 1 slave, 30 slaves. And these can make your clicks go down. Okay? So if I get 25 clicks, then I can get 2 clicks. I can get 2 clicks then. Okay. Oh, two. Yes. Yeah, let's use the touchpad. I'm very fast with the touchpad. Yeah! He got it angry. That was supposed to happen actually. More to get 20 clicks. Oh my god. 14. At 20 clicks. Wasn't it supposed to be 22? Yeah, just get oh, we're going one number every time. Let's do very fast. I need to get an auto clicker in part 2 because this game is very long. Imagine if I was sleeping. Yeah. Oh. I already get so many clicks anytime. Whatever. So I need to get 1,000 clicks. Mouse is not working. Yeah, it's a very new mouse and it's literally 1 year old. It's literally 1 year old. problems. Click. What is this mystery click? Yeah, something crazy can happen. There's going to be a like a spin the wheel, but I don't want it to be red because it's daytime right now, and things don't get scary at daytime. If the ball is red, it can scare me a lot. My heart was racing. In the other video, I was making the video, but I couldn't upload it because my OBS file got destroyed, so I made a new one, and that's how I'm making this video. Please don't be red. If I get this red, my heart is going to be racing. Please don't be red, don't be red, don't be red. Now it's showing the variables. Oh my god. Let me remove these variables. Literally, they got a mystery click. Sing. No, I don't want a new section. I just want to play the game. Excuse me. This game is not made by me. I'm getting so much free. 2026, that's today's year. It's 2026. It's actually the new month. I like get very happy when the new month. Something tried to like, oh, I just clicked it, that's why it opened my calendar. I will not get the slaves because those get my clicks very down. One slave can get you lots of clicks down. Oh, I cannot get that. Click the white turn. Click the silence balls. Something crazy can happen. Oh my god, so many clicks and he hasn't gotten any yet. Oh, he got it. Okay. The music is gotten slower. Yeah, the music is like that. I think I got 13,000. 40,000. I don't want this 30 slave. I don't want it. Look at the emoji. It's telling me not to do it. And this is doing a 6-7 and he is doing a 6-7 in the picture. 6-7, but I don't like 6-7 anymore. I like my own. Like this and 5-6. Wait, can you even see? This. Put your fingers like this. 5-6. Okay, you can see me. Okay, you cannot see like this. Okay, I know. Oh my god, let's get a more 100 click. Yeah. I'll get 3,000 click. Yeah, that's what we got. Oh my god. Oh yeah. 20 million. Can I do the ultra fun mode? Ultra fun mode does not make it ultra fun. It makes it less ultra fun. Oh my god. Yeah, that's the music. That's the music reaction. Oh my goodness. Can I get ultra fun mode, please? I don't like this. I want it to be smiley again. Oh my god, it's gonna take so much. Yeah, that's gonna be very fast. It's like an auto clicker actually. Yeah. It costs 20 million and an even better one end game costs 5 million. That's less than that. It's supposed to get. My clicks are going up by itself. 6, 7. That was helping. Like I don't even have to click anymore, but I'm still clicking to make it faster. Okay? I think that's enough zeros. Okay, let's let it go up. I don't even have to click anymore. Yeah. Oh, I'm not on the ball. Why is it making that sound? It's not from my computer, it's from outside. But I hate that sound, right? I got 42. It's 4 zeros. Like 3 zeros is just 1,000, you know. When will it get angrier, man? When will it get angrier? Like, why are you getting angrier? Your only purpose is to be clicked. Why are you being offended from being clicked? Actually, that's what glitch said. I just okay. Please glitch watch this video. Oh, I don't like this. Please let it be smiley. Yeah, I have so much money. Yeah. I have not gotten up to this in the previous video actually. And the ultra fun mode, please. Like you're green again. That's what I like. But your pupils are very small and you're not angry, you're smiling now. And your mouth is going under your face. It's the limit, you're going under the limit of your own face. I think that's the tongue. A black tongue, that's very scary actually. Out of one more please. Next is going to turn into a cabbage full of blood. It said he looks like a cabbage in that face actually. Yeah, a real cabbage. See? This is what was supposed to happen. This is when Glitch said a cabbage with blood. I still can't buy the ultra fun mode. And why do you say LOL? I don't need to do anything, it's just going up. Or is it going down? Oh, it's going up. 35 to 42. This hasn't happened to Glitch in a long time. I don't even have to click anymore, man. I'm gonna waste all my clicks and the 100 click until it maxes out. Can I buy it? Yeah, that's what I get. Okay, every 3 clicks, this number goes up. Like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's now 2 clicks. 1, 2. 6, 7, and I don't like 6, 7. Like Glitch has never gotten this many clicks, man. Made by Android or YouTube, I can see that. Let's go up. I need the out of fat mode. It's getting scarier. Actually, he doesn't look that scary. Now he's like a cabbage with blood. Yeah. The music is still, I like it a bit. When will it be like... When will it be like that? Yeah. Can I buy this? A million is just so long. A million is so long. A million is so long. I got 999. It's going up by itself, man. And can I buy this? This will be the end of the game. Okay, video end. I hate this.